Hi guys! Today we're going to create a beautiful soft Arabic look with Conatural cosmetics. After some skin prep, we're going to apply the foundation with a foundation brush and we're going to blend it evenly with a beauty blender. Then we're going to apply the Conatural Cosmetics Concealer in the shade number 2 Sand for highlighting. Now I'm going to apply a brown eyeshadow on the eyelid and I'm going to smudge it evenly. After that, we're going to apply some brown eyeshadow with a flat brush near the under eye waterline, and then we're going to blend it. Next, I'm going to fill the eyebrows. After that, we're going to contour the face and apply some blush. Then we're going to apply a lip liner and this beautiful mellow rose shade from the Conatural Cosmetics liquid lipstick range. Here's the final look.